is not a problem. It could be genetic, it could be stress, or you are not having a good sleep, you are not sleeping time, or the stress from work or from home. So the premature graying problem is likely genetic. Hair follicle contain pigment cells that produce melanin, which give your tresses their color. When your body stops generating melanin, hair presents himself as a gray, white, or silver.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
The India gooseberry, it's good, is reversing gray hair. Can also prevent loss and restore dull hair. India gooseberry is rich in a number of antioxidants, including vitamin C, and has anti-aging properties that can make it ideal supplement to add to a daily health regime. So guys, the first ingredient we are going to be using lime or lemon. It depends what is available for you to use. We all know the benefits of lime or lemon. It's full of vitamins. It contains vitamin B, vitamin C, which prevents bacteria. The vitamins and nutrients in lemon or lime juice nourish the hair and prevent premature gray. So actually this is lime, it turns to be a lemon. So you can use the fresh one, or you can also as well use the liquid. Okay, so I'm going to be using the liquid. It's very handy. And the second ingredient we are going to be using, guys, we are going to be using India gooseberry. Okay, I've already blended this. I want to apply it to the front of my head, and I just decided to make a video of it. You can get it in the India shop. So you get like 3 pack for 125. Okay, so you blend this. So what does gooseberry does for this our gray hair? It will help you to take the hair and to get rid of the gray hair. It will turn your gray hair to black. Okay, then prevent it from premature gray hair, and it can also prevent hair loss and restore dull hair. India gooseberry is rich in a number of antioxidants, including vitamin C, and has anti-aging properties that make it an ideal supplement to add to a daily healthy regime. You can also eat India gooseberry. You can also eat this India gooseberry. It's full of vitamins. Actually slice it to yogurt if you're on diet. It's full of vitamins. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you are going to be diluted in. So we need teaspoon of lemon or lime. Okay guys, so you add this. So also if you have a coconut oil, the third ingredient is going to be walnut oil. We all know the benefits of walnut. You don't have to add walnut. It's an option. Okay, so all right, so I just want to add walnut to moisturize and to stimulate my hair follicle. So the phytonutrients, vitamins and mineral present in walnuts help increase the scalp circulation and stimulate healthy growth. Vitamin C of walnuts produce collagen protein. This help in stimulate hair growth, both length and the volume wise. Okay guys, we're going to be using walnut oil. You can get any brand you want. Okay, so I'm going to put it just like pinch. Okay, so this will help you to get rid of the gray hair. This will stimulate your hair. It will make your hair dark. Consistency is the key. You have to continue to apply this at least three times in a week. So you apply this to the gray area, okay, or you can do like hair scalp routine. You just have to add this to you where the gray hair is, okay, and it's also good to prevent the premature gray hair. Okay, so this gooseberry will help you, and with the help of lemon juice will help you to get rid of the gray color from your hair. This will help you to dark your hairs from your hair. Try it and give yourself 14 to 15 working days before you give up. And then when you apply this to your scalp, when you have to blend it like mine. You blend it to fine paste, and you continue to apply to the scalp. You part the hair, you continue to apply to the root. You work your way to up. Okay, you keep applying to the root of the where the gray hair is. Okay, you continue. So you apply it to all the gray. You keep applying it. You can see the circular motion, and you keep apply it to the gray area, and you leave it for 1 hour. Some people used to use overnight. So I will advise you, maybe during the time when you want to go to bed, apply it all over your hair where the gray hair is, and you can reason the following day, or you can apply it during the day when you are home, you are doing nothing. Just apply it to the gray area. If you have a shower cap, that will be handy. Cover it with the shower cap. Just leave it, let the hair generate the heat, and after some hours, 2-3 hours, rinse it. Okay, and remember there's a walnut oil there that will bring the moisture and will prevent the premature falling, and it will help you to strengthen the roots of the hair as well, and it will prevent it to be falling, and it will give the hair a good volume. Okay, and it will get rid of the gray color, and you'll be happy. Just give it a go. Okay, get it in the India shop, India supermarket. Okay guys, don't worry, you are going to use the shampoo to wash the other elements that is there. Just give it a go. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, share my video to your friends, to your neighbor, going to benefit from it. Okay, so just give it a go, and this will actually help you. And please don't forget to leave the comments. Okay, thank you. Stay blessed.